Hi guys, welcome back. If this is your third video or your second video watching with me. If not, my name is Megan and I'm an intern at the Book Arts Center this summer, and I will be walking you guys through how to do Origami Kusudama flowers, a kit that's sold at the Book Arts Center online. This is everything that you're going to need to make one of these flowers. So the kit provides just about everything you need. A glue stick, which of course is the disappearing purple glue, which takes me right back to elementary school. Paper clips, a stem stick, which is basically just a little stick, 5 sheets of recycled paper, and a thin paper strip, along with the instruction booklet. So they provide enough stuff to create 5 flowers. I'm only showing what you need for 1. Before we get started, just to let you guys know, this is a time-lapse video, so it is a lot faster than the normal time it would take you to make it. So pause the video as needed, because some of the steps do move a little bit quicker. And let's get started, shall we? So first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to take 1 sheet of paper and fold in half diagonally. Then you're going to take the corners with the smaller angles and fold them into the center with the right angle. Then you're going to take the corners that you just folded into the right angle and fold them out to create like little wings to this square shape you just created. Then you're going to open up those flaps you just created and flatten them to create a kite shape. Then you're going to fold down the top part of the kite shape you just made and flatten it so that you make another triangle. Then you are going to fold the flaps that you just folded down into, and you're going to fold the triangle shape in half that you just made to create a square again. Then you're going to glue the 2 flaps together just on the inside of the flaps that you just did and glue them together to create essentially a curled cone with 3 little pieces of paper folded inside. Now, you're going to repeat these steps 4 more times with the remaining sheets of paper to create the rest of your petals. As you go along, these steps do get easier. The first time, it's going to be a little confusing and you're going to be wandering and kind of tripping through, but it's a repetitive steps, so they get easier. With the textbook pages, you can kind of pick how you want them to, like the images to pop out, and you can have a little bit more fun with it. Next, what you're going to want to do is take your stem stick and the thinly cut piece of paper, apply a little bit of glue to the paper, and tightly coil it around the stem stick, and then just let it sit for a little bit. This will give you the nice, cool center of your flower. Then you're going to want to glue all of your petals together, and when you've hit the last one, then you're going to want to leave a little bit of space and then apply some glue to the stem stick and then glue the final petal together, sticking the stem stick in the center of all of the petals. And then you're going to want to keep all of your petals paper clipped together just until the glue dries, and voila, you have a flower. So these are cute. You can use them as little decorative stuff. You can use them as little decorative flowers around the house, or to brighten up your day at the office, whatever you prefer. So I hope this was informative, and I would love to see your flowers as you make them along. You can feel free to share them on our website or our Instagram. Adios!